The rain is singing on our little roof. Come inside and stay warm with us. I heard the raindrops call your name. They said you should visit today.
The countryside looks soft and sleepy. Everything feels calm and magical.
A warm cottage is a special blessing. Rainy days make hearts come closer.
The kettle is gently humming for us. A cozy evening is about to begin.
Can you smell the fresh apples already? They are waiting to become a pie.
I picked my favorite red apple. It looks shiny like a tiny jewel.
I will wash the apples carefully. Good baking starts with clean hands. Slow moments are precious gifts. We should enjoy each one gently.
Listen to the wind outside. It makes our cottage feel even warmer.
Let's slice the apples together. Every piece adds love to the pie. The apples smell sweet and fresh. I cannot wait to taste it.
I will mix the cinnamon now. The kitchen already smells amazing.
This recipe is very old. Our family has loved it for years.
The wooden table feels welcoming tonight. Family moments make it even better.
Please stir the filling slowly. We want every flavor to blend nicely. The cinnamon looks like tiny brown snow. It dances when I sprinkle it.
The pie crust is almost ready. It feels soft and smooth.
Patience makes every meal special. Good things grow with gentle care.
The oven is warming up now. Soon the cottage will smell wonderful.
While we wait, let's make tea. Warm tea is perfect for rainy days. I love watching the steam rise. It looks like little clouds dancing.
The herbal tea smells peaceful. It makes me feel relaxed inside.
A warm drink comforts the soul. Simple joys are often the best.
The rain is still falling softly. Nature is creating beautiful music.
Look at the pie turning golden. It is baking beautifully.
The whole cottage smells delicious. My tummy is very excited.
The apples look perfectly tender. This pie will be amazing.
Food made with love tastes sweeter. That is a family secret.
Let's set the table together. Sharing is part of the happiness.
Here comes the fresh apple pie. Be careful because it is hot. The golden crust looks beautiful. It shines like a little treasure.
The first bite is so comforting. It tastes like a warm hug.
Gratitude makes every meal richer. Always thank Allah for blessings.
These moments are worth remembering. Family time is a precious gift.
Rainy days teach us something gentle. Happiness often lives in simple things. I am happy you spent time here. Your company makes today brighter.
Wherever you are tonight, smile softly. Someone is making dua for you.
Keep kindness in your heart always. It will guide you through life.
May your home be full of peace. May your heart stay warm and strong.
Thank you for sharing this evening. You are part of our family now. Before you go, tell us your name. I would love to remember you.
Come back tomorrow for another story. We enjoy spending time with you.
May Allah bless your days with goodness. Sleep peacefully and wake with hope.
Leave your name in the comments below. Join us daily for cozy family moments.
Learn Quran online with Hassan al-Basri Quran Academy. We teach Quran online with Tajweed through Skype, Zoom, and WhatsApp all over the world. We offer Quran for beginners, Quran with Tajweed, Qiraat course, Quran translation, Quran memorization, Tafsir course. Learn with qualified expert and trained teachers. So what you waiting for? Join us. Visit over website, HassanalBasriQuranAcademy.com.